Guys, it's happening. It's finally happening. It's absolutely insane, and it's driving my family and me nuts. Okay, so it's been an absolute crazy year so far. So you see this like waste thing back here? Dude, that's been here for like the past 8 months. Honestly, when we first moved in, we were like, you know what, 1 or 2 months max, we're gonna get all the construction work done. Everything's gonna be settled. We're gonna hit the ground running. 8 months later, work is still going on. Like, our living room is not done. And the thing is, on top of all of that, this was supposed to be my studio from the start. Like, I've been using my kid's bedroom for the past 8 months because this thing just wasn't finished. But happy to say, finally, this guy's almost done. Still almost. But it's good enough so that I can move in there. I've started cleaning it already, but let's go see. You don't understand how excited I am. This video is gonna be short, but I just wanted to show you guys that finally moving in here. So this is gonna be the home of the next studio. The thing is, when we were looking for homes and we were about to move, I was debating whether I should rent a space outside of home, because at this point I have 3 kids now and it's really tough for me to work when I'm still working out of the same place. But I also didn't want to just go pay rent on a place, and I would have appreciated it if I could have had something of my own. So this was perfect. Like, we found a house with a detached garage, and I'm using the detached garage right now as the YouTube studio. So let me quickly take you guys around here and just show you just high level, I guess, what's happening so far, what I did so far. Let's go take a look. Okay, so I honestly have no idea where to start. This whole place was very rough. If you guys saw in my last vlog, there was still a lot left to do. I mean, let's start with the beams and the ceiling. This is what they looked like before. So what I did here is I basically got MDF and just wrapped it around, and then obviously the mudding, taping, and painting. So that gives us this nice, like, really white, clean, like the whole studio is a pretty nice and clean industrial look. Next up, for the flooring, I wanted something like this, something that was a little bit light brownish. It's actually very dusty, so you can't really see the exact color. In terms of the garage door, I actually had to get an insulated garage door, but I also wanted something that I could get windows on, just so I could get a little more light in here. Also, I didn't have that window before. That area was just, it was just a wall. All in all, I am very happy with this entire space. Let me show you what I kind of am thinking in my mind in terms of layout and stuff like that. I mean, nothing's set in stone. It's still very early and it'll probably take me some time. When you're designing something like a studio, it's really important for you to kind of have an understanding of what kind of aesthetics, what kind of color or vibe that you're trying to go for. But I kind of wanted a space that was intersecting between boho / modern, monotone, minimalistic sort of look. So the color palettes I was kind of going for was white, black, browns, and grays. I want to make this basically a bike wall. I'm gonna have like a stand here with like my helmet and my jacket and everything like that. Next up, I'm trying to figure out where I should actually put like my table, or the table I'm gonna be sitting at. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put my table against that wall. I could probably have a desk either in the middle, or if I'm gonna go with the 2 desk setup, I'll probably have one on each side of that wall. Hopefully desk setup coming up soon. Things are finally starting to move. Of course, we have the other wall that's just over here. Now, this wall is probably gonna be used for like storage and stuff like that. I definitely would appreciate your guys' help. If you guys have any ideas or anything like that, especially with the sound design. I know this room is gonna be super echoey, just like looking at the ceilings and everything like that. There's a lot of places where the sound can echo off of, but yeah. This is gonna be a nightmare regardless. I know it. I just have to help figure it out. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was like a quick look. I mean, I wasn't even gonna tell you guys what I was gonna do in there, just because I had all these things planned. And just because of the delays, I'm like so over it. I don't even care anymore. Okay. You want me to be the big bad wolf? I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. Man, I miss this. I really missed the fresh air and, you know, just being able to just sit out. Like, I'm just chilling out, like, in my front yard. In any case, the kids are complaining that I'm not being a good big bad wolf. So, I'm gonna go take off. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that quick sneak peek preview of what the studio is possibly going to look like and what's done so far. I'm really excited for this next new chapter. So thank you for joining me. Really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Take care, stay blessed. Peace.